Good morning, students. Today we are going to see our last chapter, that is, or we can say the last activity. And after this, we are only going to take the revisions. Uh, and now we will start it. Festival album. Okay. So, festival season is there, and for this, we have to make a festival album. But it is not compulsory, and I am going to send you the question answers of these topics, and you don't have to make any festival album. Okay, but only we are going to see the procedure of making the festival album. Make a festival album with the help of your family and friends. Okay, means here the festival album, we can make the festival album with the help of our family members or friends. Select any 10 festivals for your albums. For example, Holi is there, Diwali is there, Eid is there, or we can say Navratri is there. We we have to select the 10, any 10 of the festivals. Collect the information about each of the festival using these points. Means following are the points we have to mention for each festival. Okay, name of the festival, for example, uh, Makar Sankranti is there. Why the festival is known by that name? If there is a story about the festival, you may write it in short. Means we have to first of all name write the name of the festival, then after why it is known of by the name, and if there is any story for that festival, we have to write the story. Okay, फॉर एग्जाम्पल होली का दहन. हाँ, सो उस दिन क्या होता है, वो जो प्रहलाद की स्टोरी है और उसकी जो बुआ की स्टोरी है, मीन्स वो होलिका जो रहती है राक्षसनी, और वो जो आग में बैठ जाती है अपने भतीजे को लेके, प्रहलाद को लेके, नन्हे पर प्रहलाद को, और उस वजह से होली का दहन होता है. ये स्टोरी हम शॉर्ट में लिख सकते हैं होली के लिए, होलिका दहन के लिए. एंड आफ्टर दैट वी कैन राइट the Navratri story, means 9 days, different devis. We do worship of different devis. Okay, and these types we have to write the name and why it is known by the name, and the story, the short story. When does the festival occurs? For example, date according to January to December calendar this year, means in this year 25 October there was Dashera. Okay, on 25 October. Then date according to any other calendar every year. अभी दो टाइप के कैलेंडर रहते हैं. एक अपना जो कैलेंडर रहता है नॉर्मल कैलेंडर, मीन्स जनवरी टू दिसंबर, और एक ये रहता है जो चैत्र वैशाख, मीन्स जो पारंपरिक कैलेंडर रहता है उस हिसाब से जो डेट रहती है वो उस हिसाब से भी लिख सकते हैं. Why do people do that occasion? What is the reason behind celebrating that occasion? What the special dishes are prepared at home? For example, on Makar Sankranti we make til ladus. Okay, and on Diwali we make uh, chakli, karanji, chiuda, and all these things. Preparations have already start of making these things. Okay, सबके घर पे शुरू भी हो गया होगा ये सब बनाना. So what we have to write those dishes also. Do you invite other people to celebrate it with you? Okay, so if you invite, you have to write yes or no, and then who are the people, your friends, your relatives, okay, your neighbors. Is it a holiday in school? Means some occasions, some celebration or some festivals have national holidays, so sometimes there are holidays, okay, in school, but sometimes there are not. Do you send greeting cards and messages on this occasion? What do you write in them? Prepare a simple card. We have to prepare a simple card too for greeting everyone. Try to get pictures or photographs suitable for the festival. You may also draw a picture related to the festival. We can take pictures or photographs suitable for the festivals, or we can else we can draw it also. Arrange your information and pictures photographs in artistic way and on a big sheet of paper. Paste the photographs picture. Use color pencils, pens to write the information. See that your handwriting is neat and tidy. Okay. So we have to see that our handwriting is neat and tidy because we are preparing a festival album. Okay. See the Makar Sankranti page given here. You may see other ideas for your album. So I'm going to show you the one festival album which is related to Makar Sankranti. Okay, and you will get an idea how to make your festival album. When all 10 sheets are ready, pin and stitch them together. Use a blank sheet at the front and back to make a cover for your album. Okay, means book type we have to make a album. At the front side and the back side we have to stitch it with a blank sheet, means white paper. हमको आगे और पीछे उस बुक के निकाल लगाना है हमारे 10 की 10 शीट्स तैयार होने के बाद. पहले हमको 10 फेस्टिवल्स चूज करने हैं, उसके बाद इस पॉइंट्स के हिसाब से उसका एल्बम तैयार करना है. मीन्स एक फेस्टिवल का उसका नाम, फिर वो रीज़न क्या है उसका नाम वो पढ़ने का, और उसके बाद उसका स्टोरी छोटी सी, फिर डेट, फिर हमारे जनवरी टू दिसंबर कैलेंडर की डेट, और हमारे जो पारंपरिक कैलेंडर है मीन्स चैत्र वैशाख वो जो महीने होते हैं वो सब के हिसाब से जो डेट रहती है वो डेट, और पीपल क्या करते क्या करते हैं, और फिर इस दिन के ऊपर क्या डिशेस तैयार होती है, हम लोगों को बुलाते हैं क्या, स्कूल में छुट्टी होती है क्या, ग्रीटिंग कार्ड्स तैयार करने, फोटोग्राफ चिपकाने, इन्फॉर्मेशन गैदर करके अच्छी तरह से पेस्ट करके, और हमको लिखनी भी है ना तो अच्छी हैंड राइटिंग में लिखने का उसके ऊपर. और सारी की सारी 10 शीट्स तैयार होने के बाद एक के पीछे एक एज पर द फेस्टिवल्स ऑकर, मीन्स सपोज द वन फेस्टिवल इज in January, another one is in March. So we have to place it one by one, okay, number wise. When write name festival album on the front cover. Show your album to family and friends. तो हम लोग ऐसा एक एल्बम तैयार करके उसके फ्रंट साइड में फेस्टिवल एल्बम या हेडिंग लिख के ऐसा तैयार कर सकते हैं और हमारी फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स को शो कर सकते हैं. सो here is Makar Sankranti's one of the festival albums page is there, means यहाँ पे एक फेस्टिवल एल्बम का पेज बना है, वहाँ पे 10 तैयार करने हैं और फिर एक फेस्टिवल एल्बम तैयार होगा आपका. मकर संक्रांति is one of the festival which occurs on January in every year. Makar Sankranti usually occurs on 14 January every year. Sometimes it is on 15 January also. This is the day when sun starts Uttaranya. It's 6 months long northward journey in the sky. On this day, the sun is supposed to move to the Makar or Capricorn sun sign. Okay, so ये है उसका महत्व, means importance of this day. और the sun starts Uttaranya. It's 6 months long northward journey in the sky. मीन्स वो अभी नॉर्थ के साइड से सन ये होना चालू होगा, घूमना चालू होगा, और वो मकर जो राशि है सन साइन कैप्रिकॉन सन साइन है उसमें चला जाएगा. यह है उसका महत्व. ऑन दिस डे पीपल इन महाराष्ट्र विजिट वन अनदर, गिव सेसिमे स्वीट्स टू यंगर पीपल एंड से तिळगुळ घ्या गोड गोड बोला. ईट स्वीट स्पीक स्वीट. इट्स स्वीट फेस्टिवल. मीन्स हम लोग क्या देते हैं, सेसिमे स्वीट्स देते हैं हमारे महाराष्ट्र में, और एक दूसरे को सेसिमे स्वीट्स दे के क्या बोलते हैं, तिळगुळ घ्या गोड गोड बोला. मीन्स ईट स्वीट एंड स्पीक स्वीट. It is a sweet festival. As you can see in the picture, different tilgul is there, okay, and tilache ladu is there. People make gulachi poli and khichdi on this day. पुरणपोळी, We make puran poli and khichdi on this day. Okay, on this day, women distribute fresh ears of grain, bits of sugar cane, vegetables, etc. in beautiful clay pots. It's harvest festival. Like this pots, ये clay के जो pots है मीन्स मिट्टी के जो घड़े हैं, मटके हैं, इनमें वुमेन क्या करती हैं, शुगर केन और ग्रेन मीन्स जो भी धान्य वगैरह रहते हैं, वेजिटेबल्स रहते हैं, वो सबको एक दूसरे को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करती है. Women give one another gifts. It's festival of gifts. Means it is a festival of sweet. It is a festival of harvest festival. Means distributing the grains, sugar cane, and vegetables to each other. Plus, women gives gifts to each other, one another. People in Gujarat fly beautiful kites on this day. It's a kite festival also. In Tamil Nadu, this is the time of Pongal, the sun festival. In Tamil Nadu, it is a time of Pongal. और वो सन फेस्टिवल के यहाँ से भी नाम से भी फेमस है. Happy Makar Sankranti. As you can see, beautiful pictures are there. For example, kites are there, Tilgul is there, and pots are there, clay pots are there, Rangoli is there, and Happy Makar Sankranti sticker is there. So this type you have to make. But don't make any festival album. Okay, I am going to send you pictures for pictures of question answers related to this chapter, and you have to write them in your notebook. Don't make any festival album. Okay, so do complete your homework, and after this we are only going to take revision, and you have to learn it very carefully, because the revisions question answers are only going to be in your exam. If you complete the revision carefully, you will get good marks in your exam. So do complete your homework. Thank you.